Camp Harvest, the ice storm of 2009. We are very thankful for Matthew 6:28, that God takes care of the birds, the air. The fire is warm inside the house. Could not carry the load anymore. It broke off and left a wounded tree. The rooster has. Even the chicken pen. Look at the burden of the power lines. The flag is frozen to the pole. And isn't my...
This is the largest tree on Camp Harvest property. It's been here for hundreds of years, I'm sure. It's a beautiful tree, provides shade, but as you can see, devastation has come.
The rain just continued to fall, the sleet frozen in its winter wonderland. The only thing moving is that long-eared floppy dog. The playground here at Camp Harvest. As you can see, we have some winter damage of the ice storm of 2009. But this root system here was pretty shallow. This tree, because all the branches were leaning towards this building over here, it fell in that direction. But again, the root system's pretty shallow, and the Bible has a lot to say about our root system. It needs to be deep and down into the springs, into the water, into all the minerals. And this tree had a shallow root system. This tree couldn't stand through the storms. And we have a lot of emotional battles and battles in life that sometimes we just want to fall over with the heavy burden and the weight that is put upon us just through life circumstances and situations. New expansion of the Camp Cafe.
Sometimes you're in need of a pruning, and God will do that, and it doesn't look good, and it doesn't feel good.
And sometimes you have a dog who is not quiet on the set.